Working on setting boundaries is important in a variety of aspects. One is boundary between work and home, work life and home life. It's really important that we learn to keep work at work and have some work-free time while we're at home so we can be present for those at our home, our family, ourselves. Just have time to digest our food, our thoughts, our process through the day, and not always be reacting to the beeper, reacting to the cell phone, reacting to the notifications, reacting to email. It's a good time to ask yourself a few questions. If you're not on call, do you need to answer that text? Do you need to answer that phone call? Do you need to respond to that email right now? Can you be fully present, mindful, in the moment with what you're doing at home, with your partner, with your child, with your pet? Whatever you're doing at home, can you be fully present? Can you put your phone away for an hour, for 2 hours? Can you put your laptop away for an hour, 2 hours? If you're focused in on home time, family time, what do you want that to look like? How can you make that a reality for yourself? When you set these things up in your mind as clear boundaries, you'll be able to participate in your work life fully and in your home life fully. It's important when we're talking about clinician and physician wellness that we appreciate. There's the efficiency of the practice. There's personal resilience factors we've talked about, sleep, diet, exercise. It's important to practice stress resiliency exercises like deep breathing. It's also important to create a culture of wellness when we're talking about well-being for clinicians. And this has everything to do with the boundaries. So, for example, when I'm asking, can you put your phone away? Can you not respond to that email? Well, if you've talked with your department chair, or you are the chair or division chair, or you are a leader, have you set up guidelines around responding to texts and emails and phone calls over the weekend? If you're not on call, it's different than when you're on call. We all know when we're on call, we're responsive. That's the duty. But when we're not on call and it's a Saturday or Sunday, are we going to make those email-free days? So if someone is working on a project because they're so passionate about it, they want to, do they need to share those ideas right away with their colleagues and ask a question right away? Maybe you want to make a list of emails that you want to set forward on Monday. Or if you have an email capacity like Gmail, you can write that email and actually push send at a later time and schedule it to go out on a Monday in the morning. So you honor the home life and the free time of your colleagues. And if you're all doing this, it makes it easier for everyone to have this boundary of weekend, work-free time, home time, relaxation, rejuvenation, re-energizing. So on Monday, you can get back to it wholeheartedly.